Just got the bonus on winner's choice. I don't know what it is. Let's go. Oh, Super Lotus Flower bonus. Let's see what happens. Betting 380, which is 2 credits per, well, 2x per game. Never played this version of this before. This is Super Lotus Flower, so I don't know what makes it super. Hopefully it shows me. At Pala Casino Spa and Resort. Three games remaining. Oh, come on, baby. Let's re-trigger this. That was not a very good bonus. Yay, 1426. Just what I was hoping for on a 380 bet. Alright, we'll be back if we get something. Shortly after the bonus on the Lotus Flower, then I got this one. Also 10 games. This is on Treasure of Troy. Sorry, missed that first spin. Taking a picture. Let's hope we get something good. That's the bonus symbol. The Trojan horse. Game 6 of 10. Line it up. Oh goodness. 2 games remaining. 1 game remaining. Finish strong, please. Wow. Not even 2 times my bet. Let's do a backup spin. Alright, we'll be back. So, Treasure of Troy gave me a bonus again really quickly. Yay. Come on, make up for that last one. Oh, we need, I think, 2 of those for a re-trigger. 5 of 10. Oh. 440. I think this is my biggest bonus. 9 of 10. 1 game remaining. Come on, baby. Oh, I re-triggered. Thank goodness. Oh, good. 10 extra free games. How's it phasing me like 5? Come on. Let's get something amazing. Let's get these people and those wilds. Oh, wasted wilds. Oh, well, they're not completely wasted, I guess. Wow, that pays $9.80. That's 15 of 20. Fill it up. Last game. Oh, that's my best bonus. Yay. So there's been 2 bonuses on Troy and 1 on Lotus. Okay, let's do a backup spin. One more. Okay, we'll be back if we get something. Wow, Troy seems to be where it's at. I just got another bonus on that one. Same bet, 380. Let's see what happens. Line it up. $630. Still haven't got one on Diamond Queen or the one with the wolves. Wolf Run? Or Coyote Moon? I don't know. Four games remaining. Come on, premium symbols. Two games remaining potentially. Let's re-trigger. Okay, this is it. Oh, I got her. $10. Let's do a backup spin. And another one. We will be back. Now we got the bonus on Wolf Run. Come on, Wolf Run, line up those wilds. Oh, a re-trigger almost. Oh no, one game remaining. Come on, do something good. No. $1.70. Come on, say better luck next time. Alright, backup spin. We will be back. Treasures of Troy again. Let's get the people in the wilds. Line them up. Come on, premiums. Halfway through the bonus. Oh, we got her, but not five of a kind. And aces. Game 8 of 10. That was it. So the only one I have not gotten it on is the Diamond Queen. Backup spin. Alright, we'll be back. Treasures of Troy again. Just one after another. Let's see if we can get these people. Seven of 10. Come on, baby. One game remaining potentially, unless we re-trigger. Let's re-trigger. No. Oh, we got something good here. 33.40. Wow, this will be my biggest win on this. Yeah. Backup spin. Oh, look at that one. 1570. Okay. Oh my gosh, look up. Too bad that didn't line up better. One more. And we will be back. Finally, we got Diamond Queen. This is my first Diamond Queen bonus ever. Come on, Diana, Vonnie luck. Okay, we need those free games. Line up something amazing. Additional game. I know I won it on the 3rd, but I want it right now too. Oh, come on. 29.20 just for that. Oh, I have the aces too. I didn't see I had them that many times. Come on, extra game. Extra game. Or Diamond Queens all over here and over there. Something amazing. Come on, do it. Something amazing. Oh, come on. Nope, that's it. 29, wow. This is better than the other bonus. Hey, very nice. Not too bad for my first Diamond Queen bonus on a... It's not a total 380, it's divided by 4. Because I'm playing 4 games. Alright, let's get a backup spin. And we'll be back. I am back with another bonus on the Treasures of Troy. I'm glad it's a super active game. Oh, look at all those queens. 1580. Oh, that's a bit. Queens, jacks, aces, everything, huh? 1160. Is this going to beat Diamond Queen? 6 games remaining. Come on, line up something amazing. You can do it. 1 game remaining potentially. It did not beat Diamond Queen, but I can't complain. It's been a really good run on this game. Now if I could get a progressive option for the Winner's Choice Mystery bonus, that would be nice. Okay, we will be back.
And I'll keep it hush.